Hey V,
Hi.
it's Tuesday, November 11th. We had a little bit of a break since the last time we worked on this, like before the weekend.
Cause we were sick.
But in terms of this, what did we do on the weekend?
We made the guest book.
No, like, what did we, like, some people came over on the weekend, right?
Oh yeah, Emily and Sophie did.
And didn't some people use this?
Yeah.
Do you know, you haven't checked your guest book, have you?
No. Let's see. Who's this?
So, I'll tell you in a second. Keep going.
Okay. Huh?
Keep scrolling.
Keep scrolling.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, you remember doing the anonymous tell you any bugs one, right?
Yeah.
So you don't know who did the so fun. I like seeing rooms in our house. You don't know what your great tool is. Well, actually, you do know who that one is.
Mrs. Hadley. Who's that?
It's your homeschool teacher.
Oh right.
I think she likes it when you call her Mrs. Hadley. You should try it. And this last one.
Easier to remember.
So actually, the first one is mom. The
Is it
so
mom?
the so fun, the so fun one is mom. The second one is Mrs. Hadley, and the third one is Ray. Hey Ray, if you're
Ray?
watching, yeah,
Oh.
because
Hi Ray.
I shared the site with him, and then he actually shared it with one of our other friends that I haven't talked to in a long time. But our friend has a daughter, and so Ray was like, "This is such a great project," and he said he loved how we're doing the live recordings. That's what he likes the
Yay.
most. Because I took inspiration for the live recordings from Ray. The reason why I do it is because for his job, he would go up in front of like 1,000 people and then do live coding just like this to show and demonstrate how a product would work.
Cool.
Yeah, and he would get paid a lot of money from Google for doing that because he worked for Google. So it was really cool. Yeah. But he mentioned, he was like, "Why is my email showing?" And I was like, "What kind of email address is this?" And he was like, "Well, the email service that he uses obscures the email, which means it hides the real email address. But still, it said, we'll only use this if we need to follow up with you." And so he thought it wouldn't even be shown.
Mm.
He wasn't like, he didn't think it would be actually shown. So that's one comment that he gave me that we need to update. That was on Friday or something. Okay, so whenever we have comments, and we haven't been really doing this, we should probably note it down. Note, change it so that the email address on the guest book isn't shown.
Good coffee.
Did it update? Looks like this one hasn't. Add a note. Update that the email part isn't shown on the guest book. There we go. Also, now, before we even get started for today, we're going to think of all the things that happened on the weekend, and we're going to note them down for like improvements and changes to make. And this is based off of the people that have used it. So go ahead.
What do you mean?
Well, you saw people using it, right?
I saw Jason. Hi
Yeah.
Jason.
Yes. I don't think Jason's going to watch it, but maybe. Hey, Jason. So he was using it. What did you notice for things to improve? Because we kind of both talked about it.
Yeah, I'm forgetting right now though.
Well, let's think.
Oh yeah, go back to room designer. Well, we were with Troy used it, and he said he wanted to type in what he wanted in the room, not the room description.
Okay. So, add note. Type in what you want
In the room.
in the room.
Not just room description.
Not just room description. Okay. What else?
Jason said something. I can't remember.
Well, recall him using it. what I like to do. I'll tell you one thing. Um, I noticed that most people, in fact, I noticed that everyone would go and take the picture first.
Because it's bigger.
Because it's
Bigger,
easier, and it's more visual.
So we should put it up.
We should move it up, yeah. Move the camera area up and description down. And we're gonna, okay, what else?
Well, he didn't press on this.
That's okay. Remember, we're not expecting people to press on that.
We aren't?
No.
Why do I look so weird?
Haha.
What happened to me? How do I scroll? Oh, there.
V, let's focus on the app itself.
Okay. I don't remember.
Okay. Well.
Oh, you were talking about getting rid of the stars.
That was the last time. Yeah, that was like last
but I
week.
like the stars.
We don't have to get rid of the stars. You have one on your face, by the way.
I know. I like how it looks. Also, it helps with pimples.
Move the camera area up and descriptions down. Update the generation prompt to specify that images should... I don't know about that one. I'm going to say delete. The email part isn't shown on the guest book. Type what you want in the room in terms of furniture, not just the room. And then the big idea. And the big idea I actually wrote here is that we want to... Actually, yeah. Huh.
That's what we just wrote.
This is kind of a combination of what Jason and Troy were saying.
Yeah.
Is that, but I thought of this before we even saw Jason and Troy using it.
Yeah.
So we want to tell it to add a certain piece of furniture to the picture. And then in the background, so like imagine this. We start with the picture up at the top, right? Mm-hmm. And then we have a text box where we can type in add.
Yeah, so like right here.
Yeah, so and in here we could be like, hey, I want a couch. Or I want a couch. Whatever. And then the next thing, right after you take this picture, and I mean, you obviously set your budget and style. But then afterwards, you don't generate product recommendations. You say, get couch or get products. It's just get products. And then you don't see the actual like listings of the products because that's what happens right now, right? Mm. Like we just remove this second step entirely. Okay? I mean, it goes through it, but we don't show it to the people. Yeah. Right? And then it automatically, hold on. It automatically gets the first item from each one of these. So it'll get the first industrial wood and metal wall shelf. So it goes in here.
It'll get that.
It gets
and then
this. It gets
if
the
we
picture.
don't like it, we can reload it, and it'll get the second one.
Yes.
And reload and reload and reload.
Yes, it gets this automatically.
I love those
Forget
wall
this
shelves.
step. Forget this step. Forget that step. It automatically puts them all in here.
But they should have like a surprise thing that they didn't say, because like sometimes people want things that they didn't think of telling.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. And then it will create the room image.
Well, after you say, "Oh, I like this."
No.
Yeah.
No, it automatically puts everything in there.
No, first. I think you should be able to say, "Oh, I like this," or "No, I hate this. They don't look good together. I don't want to I don't want to waste time seeing how it looks. I already know won't like it." So, they should have a choice of like.
Well, why wouldn't you show them the picture first of it in the room, and then they could say, "I don't like it," and they could delete it.
Because it's an extra step.
Who is it an extra step for?
AI.
That's okay. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
And it's better for the person, right? Because it shows them a fuller, richer image.
Yes.
You see how it works?
Yeah.
After you show the image, after you show the picture, then below that you can be like, here's what we picked out. Shop these items. So this goes below the image.
Yeah.
And then they could be like rotate, right?
But
Because we
then,
already have the rotate button.
yeah.
And then when you click on the rotate button, it doesn't just rotate it here. It also changes the picture.
Yeah. How does this work though? I don't think we've tried it before.
It works. We tried it.
Try it. Press on it. Shop this item.
Which one?
Shop this item.
Oh,
No.
industrial metal wall shelf hooks.
See, okay, now it's different.
Yeah, let's try like abstract canvas print, modern abstract wall canvas print. I don't think many people notice this. Even I forget about it.
Me too.
So
I think we need to make it brighter.
we need to make it a bigger
Pink.
button, adjustable LED, and so this should have changed. Yeah.
We should make it bright pink, like the guest book.
Well, I think there should just. I mean, you'll
guest book
you'll
cover.
notice it more later. But yeah. So, anyways, so that's the big idea, is that we want to condense this down from 2 steps, or from 3 steps. Which the first step is take your picture. The second step is go and search on Amazon, and then
To
the
2
third step
steps.
is create the picture to 2 steps. Yeah. Flip it, and then and that will make that's like a huge step. Okay, so that being the case,
My coffee's done.
oh no, I don't think this is gonna work. What I really have to do here is I have to have buttons for like add, edit, delete, because this is not gonna work. Oh man. Wait, what? Add note. All right, so where should we start? We got to start with the user request. So first we're going to work on what Ray told us. Do you remember what he said?
Guest book.
Okay, so go ahead, back to cursor. Let's just check OBS to make sure that
What's OBS?
it's this button.
Oh.
Okay, we're still good. All right, go back to cursor.
All right.
And then, yeah, let's go to the agent view.
Ah.
Okay, and then go ahead and
What do I say?
you decide. You try, and then
I don't know what I'm saying.
well, think about it first, and then say it.
Okay. All right. So in the guest book, we want the email to not pop up if you like. Wait, what happened to others? Oh. Anyway, we want the email to not. We want the email to not pop up if we don't write it in. Like. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a protocol on how to describe how to report an update. Actually, let's use Learning Corner to see if we could do it. Learning Corner is our other site, of course, for anyone that's not tried it. Okay, so what's the best way to report a feature or bug in development? Is there a protocol to follow?
Hey, why is it set on me? And I'm almost age 12.
Well, it loads different profiles, so you can have multiple kids in here.
Darwin LaBianca.
Yeah, I have Darwin in here.
You say
He's 2 now, but yeah. So
you have to fix him.
okay.
And you have to almost fix me. I'm
Alright.
almost 12. Alright.
Okay, so you check first. right? We checked to see, and then we can reproduce it. I mean, we know how to do it ourselves. You just add in the email address, right? Gather facts, write down the exact steps. So write down the exact steps, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. This is an important step. Then you collect proof. You can show the AI this. You can take a picture if it needs it. Note the environment. I mean, it's okay. We could say it's on a desktop and mobile.
I don't think this is very simple.
I know it's not.
Then why do you say simple up here?
Here's this is great. So easy. Okay. Title. So debug, steps to reproduce. So basically, steps to reproduce, expected result, actual result. Those are the most important parts, okay? So steps to reproduce, expected result, actual result. And if you can tell the AI that, you're going to be way ahead already, okay? So steps to reproduce.
What does reproduce?
How the AI can do it again. So the AI understands how it got there. What's the problem? Good. What is the problem? Ray told me. And I told you. Do you remember what it was?
No.
The problem is that his email address, part of it, shows up here.
Okay, so I tell the AI, we don't want the email.
Steps to reproduce first.
What steps to reproduce?
Well, how did he get his email in there?
I don't know.
So he filled out the guest book and he put in his email address.
Oh, then what's the problem?
Well, he didn't think. The problem is he didn't think that it would be shown. It says we'll only use this if we need to follow up with you. He didn't know it would be shown here.
Oh.
He didn't want it displayed.
Okay, so we said we don't want the...
First, you talk about steps to reproduce, right? So how do you reproduce this issue for the AI to understand how to do it?
What do you mean?
So if the AI was using our web app, our room designer, how could he encounter the problem that we have?
He could write in the guest book.
Yes. So the step is you go to the guest book, fill out your message and your email address, and click send. Those are the steps to reproduce. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It's basically the same steps that the user took to get to the problem. Okay, so can you repeat those steps?
So you do the reproducing thing.
Say it out loud. Well, okay. Why don't we just go on cursor? Try it again. Ready?
Okay.
We're starting with steps to reproduce.
I still don't know what that is at.
So if I were doing steps to reproduce, I would say a user clicked on the guest book, typed a message, entered the email address, and then hit send. Those are the steps to reproduce. Then I would say the expected result is that, and that's what Ray wants. And then the actual result is that the email address was shown.
Okay, so I'll do that.
So steps to reproduce, expected result, actual result.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Alright, so our user clicked on our guest book and wrote their message. Then they put in their email and then hit the sign guest book. But they didn't want their email to show up because under the email optional it says we'll only use this if we need to follow up with you. So they thought it wouldn't be shown. What actually happened was it was shown. They didn't like that, so we want it so that it's not shown to anyone but us.
Okay, let's try it. I don't know if we want to show. Yeah, let's try it.
Because we'll only use this if we need to.
There's one other thing that I didn't mention to you that I was noticing here, and I'll show it because I only notice it on. I only notice it on mobile. But look at how it is. It's kind of formatted weirdly.
Why?
You see how it's like.
Yeah, actually.
Kind of like not very clean.
That's really weird.
So,
look, this is a bit higher than this. And
yeah.
We need to fix
So I would go. Okay, yeah. So okay, first made the update. So let's check it out locally here and see what happens. Anonymous, anonymous. Okay. Let me deploy it to our live site, our production, and see how it works. Commit and sync. And then we go, I think the production is here. Oh man. Okay, while I deploy, well, no, I've got to. Sorry, it's connecting to the cloud and disconnecting takes a long time. But meanwhile, I'm going to do the next report. Okay? Steps to reproduce. What is this?
Usu.
Steps to reproduce is you open the guest book. The device platform is on mobile, and the expected result is that the user shows up on the first line, the date shows up on the second line, and then the message. The actual result is that the user and the date are both kind of in columns on the same row, and we don't want that. Okay, so steps to reproduce, expected result, and actual result. And then from there, it can deduce what to do. Awesome. Okay, now let's go back. Let's generate another get message. Then you commit push and sync. And I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to go to bar, room designer, room designer, repo, pull. Okay.
How does that code just type itself in?
Unstaged changes. Hold on. How does what?
How does the code just type itself in? The green and purple.
The green and purple. Can you please come back? Answer properly. The green and purple is coming from the operating system. So you type a command, it replies back to you. It's like a chat, but for you're chatting with the computer operating system.
Yeah.
What is this error? It's like you've got please commit or stash them. Please keep your legs in.
Okay.
I am encountering some issues here, so I'm opening up ChatGPT app so they can look at my terminal and then see what's going on. You okay?
Yeah.
You're moving around a lot.
I know.
How do I fix this? If you want to save, temporarily stash, discard your changes to check what.
I'm making it lean back.
Oh, it's the guest book. I actually don't want to track that JSON file. Okay, get ignore. Add this line to your get ignore here. Sorry, I'm doing some advanced stuff here. Do we have a get ignore? Yeah, we do. Add to get ignore. Accept. And then commit and then confirm. Okay. So here we are in commit. I gotta go here and then commit and sync. Pull. Now what? Now what? So basically, I'm trying to update, but I can't update yet because there's this one guestbook file that has changed, and it's not the same as what's in the Git directory. You know how we're saving all of our information to the cloud?
Yeah.
So this one guestbook file was updated and changed since Ray and your homeschool teacher wrote to it, and so the file on the computer isn't matching what's in the cloud, and they need to be reconciled, meaning they have to be the same. So I'm telling the cloud to ignore it. And then now I can pull, hopefully.
What?
Now what? Well, basically, I did what it asked me to do, and then it's telling me a bunch of other messages. So I'm having GPT can look and see what's going on here, and it's going to advise based on what it sees. It's going to tell me what to do next. So I'm like, now what, basically? Is this still okay? This is small
Why
again.
does it keep shrinking?
I don't know. That's okay. 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 I don't know. Let's see what happens here.
Hey, Dad.
Okay.
This doesn't have anything to do with coding, but you know that where we put the mirror over the fireplace? Dad?
Yeah.
What if we put a mirror on the opposite wall? That would
Now
be so
what?
cool. There will be an infinity mirror. We should do that.
Yeah.
Can we?
No.
Why?
Because I don't think it's really important.
But it'll look so cool.
Yeah, but it's not very functional.
If we get another not useful mirror, we're going to put it on that wall though, right? Please?
Hold on. What? I'm so confused. These people are like watching us do. Yeah, entertain them with the slinky.
Entertaining. Entertain. Yeah, I don't think that's very entertaining. Entertaining to me though. Whoop. Ooh, I know.
Sorry, this is what happens when you're doing coding. You just get sidetracked and you have to take care of some other problem first.
And you have to entertain. Oh, this is actually so cool. I'm afraid
Okay.
the camera can't see it.
Fix the git ignore. If that errors for some other reason, ensure the repo.
Okay, I'm going to entertain you with a scary mask from Halloween. Dad, is that okay?
No. Please put
Please?
it back. No, I'm sorry.
I just want to hold it up. I'll put it right back after.
No.
Can I hold
Sorry.
it up?
No.
Ugh.
Ignore guest with Jason. Already up to date? Okay, let's see if it worked. It says it's already up to date. I don't know if it deleted the guest book entries. It did.
Nothing happened.
Well, the line changed.
Oh, well, wait. Yeah, that looks good, actually.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. The line changed, so we know that worked. Let me check on my phone. But like, yeah, it still didn't fix the decoder issue.
Decoder?
I mean, we have to tell it again. Can you tell it again?
Yeah. Alright, so one of our guests clicked into guestbook, put in his email and his note, and pressed sign guestbook. What he thought would happen was, because under the email it says we'll only use this if we need to follow up with you, so he didn't think it would show. That's what he was expecting. But what actually happened was it did show, and he didn't like that, so we need to make it so it doesn't show.
Yeah.
Except for us. Only we can see it.
Well, and maybe we want it hidden from the website entirely, so you should not see even partial email addresses there. Let's try that. Hopefully it worked. The issue, the name is derived from the email, exposing partial email. Changing it to always use anonymous. There we go. All right, I think it worked. Whew. Okay. Commit and sync. What? Fix. Oh no.
What happened? What happened?
What happened is that, remember how I was saying we had problems on the website, and I was like fixing it to sync with the cloud?
Yeah?
Well, now here on our workstation we have problems syncing with the cloud.
Oh no.
Yeah. You can do or following commands sometime before your next poll. I'm saying fix this cursor get error. I'm just gonna run a bunch of stuff here. Okay, now we can push it. Hopefully that worked. Okay. Oh. Hopefully we're good here. Whew. Okay, now let's see what happens. So we got this, and it's still showing up.
Oh, come on.
Why?
Maybe because it's not a new one. It's already there, so.
Watch, here. Let's do it on a local computer. So here we are in local, and I'm going to go boo, 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 and then I'm going to go and whatever.com. Right? Signed. Oh, it is anonymous.
See?
Okay, so the issue is that we already have a guestbook JSON file that has the name of the person in there. We want to track the email addresses on the back end in the JSON file. We just don't want to show it up on the front end. Okay, hopefully that works.
And if it doesn't, all is lost. I don't know why I just said that. Do you know why? Dad?
Not name.
This is hypnotizing me.
Well, even if the email is stored in the JSON file, we don't want to show it on the front end at all. It should always be anonymous. In fact, you can even remove the name of the person and not even show anonymous because they're all anonymous. So do that instead. Okay, did you see what I said there?
Yeah.
So what is it going to do now? B.
Wait, what?
What is it going to do now?
Remove the person's email.
Remove what?
Ray's email.
No. So can you sit up and put away the slinky?
I need to untangle.
Not right now. Please put it away. Please put it away. Please keep your legs down. And please sit up. So it's giving me this anonymous, and I'm like, just take it away entirely. Because they're all going to be anonymous. So we don't even need to show it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. That's probably better. Man, that was a long problem to solve. Arc. Didn't even have to come that message. Okay, V, what's the next thing we're going to work on?
Let's go to our pages and see.
Okay. Hold on. Let me just pull this one. Make sure that it's working here. Yeah, much better.
November 8th. Ooh. That was like 3 days ago.
Okay, so the next issue that we have is we want to or delete this. Hopefully it works. Yeah. Move the camera area up and description down. Can we do that?
Yeah. I think so.
Okay, let's do that. Here, go ahead. You touch. Go back to agents.
Why do I keep switching?
You can close that.
Alright, so most people are uploading the photo first before they're writing in the room description. So we want to put the room description below the photo and the photo above, like right below the describe your room button. Please. I didn't say bye.
And every step of the way, do you know what refactoring is?
What?
Refactoring is kind of like writing it in a new form. And it could be changing or updating the current stuff. It's basically changing or updating the current stuff. It's not adding anything new. It's not deleting anything, any functionality. It's just rewriting it to make it more efficient.
Okay.
So every step of the way, we want to ask ourselves, is there something we can delete from this process that will make it easier for the user?
Yeah.
In fact, that's a part of the reason why, like in a Tesla car, there's only one screen. And there's nothing else compared. Have you been in another person's car recently?
Yeah, I was in Emily and Sophie's like before our road trip.
Me too. Before our road trip. But I was like in their car and I was confused about how many buttons there were to push.
I know.
There's like so many things to look at. There's buttons for radio, there's buttons for air conditioning, there's buttons for heating, there's buttons, and there's like. Anyways, Elon is like, can this be deleted? If it can, delete it. And that's why there's only a screen in our car. He wants to delete like the steering wheel, as you know. Because I never touch it anymore.
I'll be sad if he deletes the screen though.
No, he would probably add a screen because screen is entertainment.
Yeah.
But deleting, yeah. All right, let's see if it works. Can you reload?
How do I do that?
Oh, you push the reload button on the left, next to the home button right there.
Oh.
Okay, good. We did that. Great.
Yay.
Now, the second part is that. So okay, that's fine. Oh, we don't need to have this delete.
And the other one, the move the camera up and description down. We already did that.
Delete.
Delete.
So there should just be a button, so I don't have to keep typing it.
I know. You need to modify your page, Dad.
Yeah. I don't even think we need to have this describe your room.
I like to describe your room.
Is it useful? Does
Yeah.
Can it be deleted?
It can be, but I like it.
You gotta delete it. If it can be,
No,
it has
I
to
like
be deleted.
it.
No, delete it. I know you like it, but why do you like it? And you shouldn't like it. You should delete it. So go ahead and delete it.
I don't have a choice here, do I?
I mean, if you want to,
Delete the describe your room that's above the picture. Just make a picture of really cute cats that look nothing like potatoes.
No, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, it is.
No, don't do it. No, stop.
Oh,
Vienna.
come on. Sorry.
Vienna, what's going on here?
What? I want no potato cats.
But people are gonna be confused by your potato cats.
I said no potato cats.
But we don't want to make a picture.
I like it.
And
You
it's
know,
not a
so
picture, it's a camera, right?
Huh?
That's above the camera.
Yeah.
Camera view. Can you say that?
Camera view.
Say this sentence again.
Delete the describe your room that's above the camera view. Bye? Why does it keep...
Okay, let's try that. Remember, we want the people to get to the product and use it as soon as possible. So any kind of text in the way.
But cute cats would be cute.
It didn't do it. Help text below the text area. No, we meant the describe your room, which is in the header above the take or upload room photo.
And below the room designer thing. But we're not getting rid of the room designer thing. Yeah. We're not getting rid of that.
Maybe they should just be merged.
Well, oh.
Like, why aren't they merged?
I like it how it's not merged. It's like separate. I like it.
But is it necessary? You see what I mean? Delete it. We don't need the extra space between the room designer transform your space with personalized product recommendations and visualize your dream room and the next section with take or upload room photo. Just delete that.
Oh no, wait.
What?
It'll probably delete the room photo and stuff.
No, I think it will understand me.
That looks weird. That's so weird. No, we want it to be part of the same page that the that the photo, the take or upload photo description is.
Section.
This, that, this, that.
Maybe
Voted?
I don't know. Maybe.
How did voted get in there?
Ah, there we go. Combining the hero section with the form. So the hero section is this top part. This is called the hero section.
It is?
Yeah, I don't know why it's called a hero section, but it is.
I really need to get my hair cut. It's so split-ended.
Much better.
Wait, I want to see?
It's much better.
Sure.
You're welcome. Okay, now. In here, we remember people aren't saying what to describe their room. So why don't we tell the AI to make this change?
Alright, so we don't want the room description. We want
An input area.
Where you get to type what type of furniture and like what stuff you want inside of your room. Like you can say, I want a couch in here, or I want a, I don't know, ice maker in here. But you don't say, what do you call it?
You don't have to describe the room itself.
Yeah, that's what the photo's for.
And before we even send this, because this is...
Thank you. How did thank you get in there?
Before we send this, we're going to commit this other change, because this next section that we're working on is quite a process. And it's 10:09, so we're going to have to stop in 10 minutes, and I'm not sure we're actually going to get around to doing this next part. But let's try. But we'll try. So here I'm going back, and now this is gonna take a lot of finesse. So
definitely wasn't making any silly faces.
What we want is hopefully it's not an input. Hopefully it's a text box. I used the wrong word there. It should be just like this. The second thing that I noticed is that people get confused with all this text in here.
Yeah.
They're like, why is there already writing in there?
I know.
So.
And what does EG mean?
Example.
Oh. It's going to change it. I want to count. Get rid of the example words that are already inside of the box. Just make it blank.
Maybe add that placeholder text to the label above. Thank you.
Hey, Dad. When can we blow up the giant queen bed sized floaty we got?
I don't know.
And when can we put it in the pool?
When we're not sick. Much better, right?
Yeah. Much better. And here too.
Well, any style is going to be okay.
But not the budget thing.
Yeah. There's also placeholder text in the budget that's confusing, so let's remove that. I should have had you say it. Talking is really tough.
What do you mean talking's really tough?
Like, it takes a lot of practice.
You're talking right now.
I know. And it takes a lot of practice for you to get good at it. I'm not very good at talking.
There you are.
Better.
It looks so empty.
It's much better. We deleted it. Yeah, it's great. And then any style. Maybe not any style. Like any style is confusing also. What we want to say instead is like
Pick your style.
pick your style. That's great.
Instead of any style inside of the style button, you should write pick your style so that you can click on it and it gets all of the.
I don't know if pick your style is correct because this is an optional field. So whatever you advise.
Click on it and it gets all the. I don't know if pick your style is correct because this is okay. It's confusing.
There you go. Pick your style optional.
Why shouldn't it say optional twice?
Right.
It shouldn't say optional twice. Definitely wasn't not doing anything funny. When do you think we can get haircuts?
All right, let's try this. Ready? I'll answer haircuts later.
What the heck, Dad?
Now, I'm not going to add anything. Oh, we should say what happens.
A couch.
We need to write on the area for what furniture items do you want. We need to write somewhere that it will automatically fill it in. Or it will automatically select items if you don't enter anything. Something like that.
And Dad, can you say beanbags, LED lights, and a TV?
Okay.
Beanbags, LED lights, and a TV.
This is too much text. There's too much text now.
Get rid of the example. Come on, Dad, let's try it. Let's test. We don't have time to test. We only have 5 minutes left.
Okay.
5 minutes. How has it already been an hour?
I know.
Hey, people watching this video, did you watch the whole thing?
Maybe we should. If
Yes.
you watched this video and you write a comment saying that you saw this part, we'll send you like a $5 Amazon gift card.
We will?
But only a limit of like the first 3 people. And yeah, I actually will. I will reach out to you.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch the video, Dad. Can I do that? And then you'll give me a $5
Not you.
gift card.
You don't count.
No, I do count. Come on.
All right, let's test this out now.
Let's test it. Alright. Now, beanbags, LED lights, and a TV. Budget.
No, forget it.
What? No! No, I wanted to do the theme and budget.
Let's see if it works.
Dad.
Okay. I mean, it gave me the bean bag. It gave me the LED lights, and then what else?
The TV.
It gave me the TV. No, it gave me the wall.
The wall's right there.
I think it knows that I already have a TV. It can see that there's a TV right there.
It doesn't look like a TV.
Sure it does.
Fine. Let's see. Come on. I want to pick some. Oh my god! I want one for my room! Give me one for my room, Dad.
Are you a monster?
I'm a monster now.
Wait.
What?
Now.
No,
Wait, stop. Now, what we do is we take this picture and we not copy the link. We save the image, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're just like, boom. And then we go back into here, into the room designer.
And get the LED lights. No, get the LED lights.
No.
No,
I want to see how it does with just one, okay?
Where will I put
And
it?
there we go. I don't know. We'll find out.
I'm going to be sitting on it now. It should also automatically take all the people out of the picture.
Let's see what happens with this guy.
That's a girl, Dad.
Girl.
I want that. Dad, can I please have a beanbag for my room? Or two? 2 tiny ones. Please.
With the money you make from the site, sure.
I'll buy it with my actual money.
No, this is going to be actual money. When you make money with the site, you'll get to buy all these things.
No, with my money from my wallet that's upstairs, can I buy myself 2 beanbags, please?
No.
Why?
Because we want to use this money for it.
I've been saving my money so that after we move in here, I could buy stuff.
Yeah.
Because we just moved in here.
Yeah.
I don't have a bed frame yet, or a wardrobe, or a
Ask
bookshelf.
for donations.
Donations. Wait, what are donations?
When they give it to you.
Oh yeah, give me a beanbag. I don't think they will. What the heck? What happened to me? What happened to me? What happened to me? Where did you go?
I'm gone.
You're gone. Hey, that's my mom now. They made it so that it looks like my mom. But Mom looks nothing like that.
But see, wouldn't it be cool if you could click on the beanbag? You tap
What
on
happened to my key?
But wouldn't it be cool if you could actually just tap on the beanbag and it could show you?
Amazon.
Yeah.
They added another beanbag.
I know.
And a shelf. Oh,
Right.
I like that plant.
So we've got a bit of...
What the heck is that picture of?
I don't know, but it's cool. I like it. Anyways, we have some more work to do. So we are not going to commit this.
We have 1 minute.
We are not even going... We're going to end it now.
Aw.
Yeah.
No, not 1 minute early. We have to wait until it's 10:20. Let's just sit here until it's 10:20.
All right.
Okay, bye.